India is a land of religious diversity where people of different religious communities have lived peacefully for ages. Mutual tolerance and regards for each other's beliefs is an age-old tradition in the country. Several examples of citizens who are trying to preserve it can be found at every nook and corner of the country. A recent one was seen in Ayodhya city of Uttar Pradesh, where Muslim women artists are building bonds of harmony by making garlands of flowers that are offered to Lord Hanuman in Siddha Peeth.
Weaving and selling flower garlands on the sides of the road is not a big thing, but it surely becomes unique when a person is making it, especially to be used by people of other religious communities. Setting such an example of religious harmony in Ayodhya city of Uttar Pradesh are these Muslim women who have been making flower garlands which are offered to Lord Hanuman by their Hindu brethren.
जब से आए हैं, जब से कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा दिन से 15-15 साल से फूल छेद रहे हैं। माली लेके आते हैं तो छेदते हैं, फिर माली आके लेके चले जाते हैं और इसी से हम लोगों का खर्चा चलता है घर का। अरे रोज़ का 60-70 रुपए का कर लेते हैं काम। हनुमान गढ़ी बेचते हैं।
These women in Mohalla Koti Ghat of the city have been making flower garlands for generations which are offered to Lord Hanuman at the Siddha Peeth Hanuman Gadi temple. There are around 12 Muslim households in the Koti Ghat neighborhood which falls just behind the Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya city. Almost all family members of these Muslim families are engaged in garland weaving, thus giving out a beautiful example of peace and brotherhood.
मंदिर में जाता है, हनुमान जी के मंदिर पे चढ़ता है।
तो जैसा कि एक आप लोग मुस्लिम हो, इस तरीके से माला बना रही हैं, तो कोई आपस में कोई ऐसी बात
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं ना, हम लोग प्यार मोहब्बत से रहते हैं।
कितनी माला बना लेती होंगी तकरीबन?
अब जिस हिसाब से बन जाए, जैसा फूल आएगा कम ज़्यादा वैसे ही माला बनता है।
These garland makers have huge respect for the beliefs of Hindus and feel happy to sell their products to them. They make these garlands with a lot of hard work and dedication and wait eagerly for Hindu festivals when their business of flower garlands shoots up. Such examples prove that Indians put unity on the highest pedestal and stand undivided and integrated despite all their cultural and religious differences.